an opportunity.
Blowfest is a talent show. Blowfest is for me a starting point.
Blowfest is something unexpected.
A platform where people get to showcase their talents, their emotions, and moreover, Blowfest is a adventure. It is something a person would want to experience.
There were a lot of college festivals happening across in the city. I'm talking in 96, 97, right? And there were a lot of students participating in other colleges all the time. The entire thought was, we have students going to other colleges and participating. Why can't we have the talent, come out here? And how do we get that sense of competition and at the same time some sense of camaraderie, of friendship and things like that? I think that was the idea. It was certainly not about competition. It was all about getting the talent in college, keeping it in college as well, and trying to see what this talent really is. Like, can we put up a great show?
So I joined in 92, and at that time we didn't have a house system. So it was just a cultural festival which happened to be named Blowfest. And you had student groups who would put up a dance or and we had eliminations, but it was the same faces you saw over and over again. There was nothing new happening. It's somewhere around 96, about 4-5 years after I joined, that we were all brainstorming and we were thinking, how do we get a 10% participation in everything? And we hit on this idea, okay, let's have this kind of a house system which they have in school. We'll give each one a house so that everyone can participate. And it transformed Blowfest. After that, it was just a transformation. The kind of competition, the kind of, the level which we went, it really took off.
The name Blowfest actually was coined by my senior by the name of Lila D'Souza. She was in history department and she started this Blowfest for the students, and she coined the name Blowfest.
And then it was Professor Naren Israni from the chemistry department. And this happened right in front of me. I was there with Mrs. Anand when he barged into her room and he said, "Madam, हम ऐसे करते 5 elements का नाम डाल देते हैं, अग्नि, वायु, पृथ्वी, आकाश." Everyone was thrilled. I think that's an excellent idea because these are the 5 elements as per our ancient philosophy. So name them as Prithvi, Vayu, Agni, Akash. Then they said we should also have coordinators, teachers who will take care of each house. Each house should have captains, they should have vice captains. So all these ideas came up, and then we started this Blowfest with the house system from 97 onwards.
It has been 4 years since I have been doing Blowfest, and it has been a very tremendous and a very, very, very exciting journey so far.
In my F5s when I came to college, मैंने पहली बार सुना कि यहाँ पर कुछ Blowfest जैसा होता है. क्या ये Blowfest है? तो जब हम लोगों ने देखा कि यहाँ पर रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क लग रहा है, हमारे जो सीनियर्स थे वो लोग हम लोग को आके बोल रहे हैं, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि तुम लोग आके Blowfest में पार्ट लो, तुम लोग अपने लाइफ का सबसे जो कॉलेज लाइफ का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मोमेंट होता है ना, वो तुम लोग ये Blowfest में जियोगे.
Some 2 months earlier we used to get the theme, and on that theme we started preparing. The students used to come, used to form groups, and then starting from fashion show, the drama as well, dance. So all these things began on one side, and on the other end there was sports. So for that the students prepared.
What we consciously did as college students was we made sure that each one of the students got an opportunity to participate. Whether we won or not was secondary. I mean, yes, we did want to win, but that really didn't stop us from doing or not doing something.
Blowfest to me is a very crucial or a very important part of my life. I've just done Blowfest for a year, and it has literally helped me a lot.
It's not only about competition on stage, but also the mental pressure that you go through the entire event when you are the captain or you are the BOD.
First day when we took audition of FYJC students, they were not able to walk the ramp. Now I have seen they are walking so well, they are walking like professionals within 7 days. So big hand for those people. I really enjoy it.
Blowfest allows students to come and engage and interact with people on the ground. That gives somebody at a vice captain and a captain level the chance to deal with people from different backgrounds, different qualifications, different courses. So you've got people who are dancers, You've got people who are from BMM who probably more into the literary arts and therefore want to be in quiz and the ad events and the writing events and the debates. You've got sportsmen, hardcore sportsmen who've come in here through maybe a sports quota or are looking to go in the state and national level.
Now Shivam is amazing in photography. So be it Sydenham, be it Malhar, Shivam will represent the National College. Any other festival, Shivam will represent. तो बाकी के बंदों को कब चांस मिले? जब इधर इंट्रा कॉलेज होता है, ओके, शिवम के साथ और 4 लोगों को वो चांस मिले और वो 4 लोग शायद कभी फोटोग्राफी में बहुत लंबा नहीं जाए, बट वो एक्सप्रेस करने की वजह से दे आर एबल टू फिगर आउट कि इज दिस हु आई एम और नॉट. उसकी वजह से वो अपने अपने करियर में आगे जाते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाई ब्लोफेस्ट इज.
When you have 5 houses, then there is a sense of belonging. And that sense of belonging, in fact, will make you strive hard for your house. And that's why we started these competitions.
It's an entire college participation. I don't think you find this in any college because we have divided ourselves into houses. Houses means everybody has a role to play. Junior and degree are both united in the Blofest. We are like all RT National College people.
So the earliest memories of house system, we really weren't bothered about competition because somewhere all 5 captains were friends. Was there a sense of competition? Yes. But was there any fight? Never. I can never think of any arguments or fights which I believe happened later in terms of... simple things like, oh, do you want the baddie coat for rehearsal from 11 to 12? हाँ ठीक है, तू अभी कर ले फिर मैं ले लेता हूँ. Do you want the auditorium from 12 to 1? Yeah, okay, तू ले ले, मैं बाद में कर लेता हूँ. So there wasn't I don't remember a single time where we have fought for space or rehearsals.
We used to relate teachers with houses. Like Jennifer Ma'am, Akash House. Like she got connected, she got synonymous with Akash House. So anything, Akash House, Jennifer Ma'am. Jal House, Sindhu Ma'am. Vayu House, Namrata Ma'am. And like Namrata Ma'am and Vayu House is so synonymous that she had these dancers and they used to come and dance, and they like, even when they see their teachers, they're so happy, and then you have that feeling for that house, like, okay, this house. And then there came, in fact, a point of time when the administrative authorities felt that, no, now we should change houses because these teachers are becoming too involved, It was almost like that the competition was not just among the students but also among the teachers. It's now that I think we are matured enough and now we are saying, no, it's now a competition but in a cooperative manner.
These 3 days there is no restrictions, teachers don't scold them, nobody tells them to go for lecture, they can come at any time, they can go at any time, they can talk on mobile phone in the corridors. So it is something like a given opportunity to the students to experience home in the college. That is what I feel.
जब भी ब्लोफेस्ट आता है हम लोग यहाँ घूमते रहते हैं क्योंकि वही एक मंथ रहता है जहाँ पर नेशनल कॉलेज ऐसा लगता है कि अरे दिवाली चालू है, कॉलेज में दिवाली चालू.
Now day starts with it, ends with it, thinking about like what will be the next step, what will I do next. So this become a really important part of my life.
मतलब हम लोग बैठने के लिए जगह नहीं होती थी, पूरा मतलब एक्टिंग कर लिए, अभी आके बैठना है तो सीधी अदर काम है, तो ज़मीन पे बैठ, तो ज़मीन पे जगह नहीं, तेरे गोदी में बैठ गया, तेरे गोदी में नहीं है तो मेरे गोदी में एक और आदमी आके बैठ गया. इट वॉज लाइक दैट, इट वॉज दैट पैक्ड ब्रो, दैट पैक्ड. साथ आई थिंक AC नहीं हुआ करता, अभी AC है शायद. बहुत सीधा साधा सा स्टेज था, उसमें हम लोग वो गर्मी में बैठते थे, पसीना ऐसा, मतलब पूरा मेकअप निकल रहा है, ओके, मेकअप धोने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं है, उसमें पसीने में बैठ रहे हैं. Can't express it in words.
Jay sandwich, paneer toast, and especially with Dharamveer soup is unending number of sauce bowls. He used to have sauce, tomato, ketchup, so much. He would survive on that tomato sauce. I can never forget that. Dharam and his tomato.
फर्स्ट की बात है, जब मैं ब्लोफेस्ट नया ज्वाइन करा, फर्स्ट जो हमारा कोरियोग्राफर था, तो ऑन द स्टेज था हमारा वेस्टर्न डांस चालू था और गाना याद नहीं आ रहा है, गाना था तो डांस हो रहा था. मेरे को थोड़े स्टेप आए थे, थोड़ा स्टेप किया, भूल गया, वापस बैठ गया, वापस खड़े हुआ, ये स्टेप्स आते, हाँ ये स्टेप्स आते, करा भूल गया, वापस बैठ गया. एक टाइम पे तो विंग में चला गया, विंग में क्या पूछता नेक्स्ट गाना कौन सा है.
जितने भी जहाँ पे भी छोटी छोटी मंडली बनाए बैठे हैं वो सब अग्नि वाले लोग हैं, वो सब काम कर रहे हैं. आज पहली बार काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और इसी वजह से आज मैं फ्री बैठी हूँ और अच्छा लग रहा है।
इतने सारे प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, मेरी तो जल रही है, मेरे को तो कोई प्रैक्टिस में लेता भी नहीं, बेचारा मैं,
बेचारा
सच्ची माँ कसम।
अरे पड़ी है, ठीक है, आज से पार्टिसिपेंट्स आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, और ये 7 है, इसकी 8 बार लग चुकी है, ठीक है।
हाँ पहले हम सुनते थे, अब हम सुनाते हैं।
देखो सीधी बात बोल रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत नहीं है हम लोगों को,
हम लोग ऐसे ही जीत जाएंगे,
हम लोग मालूम है हम लोग कौन है।
हाँ
तो
और हम
डरो तुम लोग डरो, वी डोंट केयर फर्स्ट थिंग।
यस एग्जैक्टली।
सेकंड थिंग, हम लोग कैमरे में कुछ बताएंगे नहीं।
एक वीक बाकी है, कैसा फील हो रहा है ब्लॉफेस्ट?
उसकी दाढ़ी तो देखो, एक नंबर है।
साहिल राज, नो कमेंट्स।
उसको बोल चुप होना।
वेंजेंस।
Naira hates Blowfest. I'm the best.
बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है हमको,
मजा आ रहा है, लेकिन अभी
खाली
देखा जा
प्रैक्टिस
रहा है
टाइम टू टाइम नहीं होती।
मैंने अपना प्लैनेट छोड़ दिया है परमानेंटली क्योंकि मैं अर्थ में बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ। हाँ ये मेरी पांडा मुझे 0% भी टाइम नहीं देती और ये मुझे भी टाइम नहीं देती, और वो है ना इतना टाइम नहीं देती, वो प्लीज ये दोनों एक दूसरे को टाइम देते, मुझे कोई टाइम नहीं देता, मुझे भी टाइम नहीं देता। ब्लोफेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
माय फैंस आर टेलिंग
डॉक्यूमेंट्री फ्लॉप है तेरी।
क्या कर रहे हो तुम? ये बंद करो।
ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है तो मतलब सच्ची वाला।
Blowfest is like the soul of Nationals, and Nationals is one of those colleges which tries to ensure each of the students get a well-rounded education.
What you learn, leadership qualities you learn in a Blowfest, no MBA degree will give you that. Let me tell you that. You won't get an MBA. MBA will give you theory, this gives you practice to lead, to sing, to dance. Come on, yeah, choreograph. Try getting a group of students together and get them to dance. I hats off to them. I mean, they are better than getting. I mean, you can get students to dance. I can't get them so much in the classroom.
I can't imagine my life if Blowfest would have not happened to me. I actually sit and think कि मैं आज क्या करता. I was able to express myself because of Blowfest. अगर मेरा लाइफ का एक पॉइंट कि मैं बोलूँ कि ये पॉइंट के बाद राजीव पाटकर की ज़िंदगी बदल गई. It was a time when I went to my captain and I said I want to take part in the festival. Every single person I know who participated in Blowfest very vigorously, their life changed because of Blowfest.
Alvin, he was from Vayu House, I was from Akash House, but he was a chemistry student in PY. The kind of closeness which was developed because of Blowfest. It was not that he was close to me in the class. He did very well, and now today he's reached great heights. He is one of the sound designers in the movies, and he's received Filmfare Awards, and he's got star, Cine Star. For Kahani he had received the Filmfare Award. So he is being a chemistry student still because we could see potential in him.
जाओ, जो करना है वो करो, डांस करो, ड्रामा करो, फैशन जो कर दो, क्योंकि जब तुम करोगे, तुम जब स्टेज पे जाओगे, तो जब तुमको क्राउड रूटिंग देंगे, तो वो फीलिंग दैट विल बी द बेस्ट फीलिंग.
मेरी एक जॉइंट फैमिली है, हम लोग है ना खाना साथ में मिलके खाते हैं. तो अभी Blowfest होता है, प्रैक्टिस सुबह 8 बजे से लेकर 10 बजे तक प्रैक्टिस होती है, तो फैमिली टाइम नहीं मिलता है. जो एक कल की बात है, मेरी मॉम ने मुझे आके बोला, मुझे 7 बजे जाना था, लेकिन मैं 8 बजे उठ गया. तो मैंने मॉम को पूछा, मॉम आपने मुझे उठाया क्यों नहीं? उन्होंने एक ऐसा रिप्लाई दिया जो ऐसा फील हुआ कि क्या कर रहा हूँ. मेरी मॉम ने मुझे बोला कि जब भी तू सोता है ना, तभी सिर्फ तेरी शक्ल देखने मिलती है.
I will never forget National College. In fact, even today, whenever I pass National College, there's a flutter in my heart because I know that I'm passing home.
My schoolmates, when they meet me today, they say, Sindhu, you haven't changed at all. I said, my fingers are the pulse of the young generation. They are so full of energy. And let me tell you, they are very enterprising. They come up with creative ideas, creative solutions. You give them a problem, they know how to solve it. We may get stuck. We may wonder now, how to work. But they don't.
Blowfest is insanity. You can't describe it. I mean, you go crazy while it's on, and when it's over, it's like you feel like you're going through a hangover. You're like, shit, did that really happen? It's completely insane.
Blowfest is a thing where you can learn a lot of things in a short period of time.
It made me meet so many different people with so many different ideas, so many good people, so many bad people. It just gave me a motive to stay in this college. It made my 11th standard a memorable one. Omkar Mane, Shivam Sharma, Kaustubh Sawant और श्रेयस सावंत, उनके पास काफ़ी अच्छा वाला कॉन्फिडेंस है. हमेशा स्टेज पर आते हैं तो कुछ अच्छा ही करके जाते हैं और वो एकदम मेमोरेबल रहता है. पूरा कॉलेज जानता है उनको और वो लोग मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं. बस मैंने कभी ऐसे नहीं देखा था, मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं कॉलेज में आऊँगी तो मेरे ऐसे फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस रहेंगे और पूरा कॉलेज उनको जानता है. जो न्यू बैचेस भी आ रहे हैं, जो जूनियर वाले आ रहे हैं, वो लोग भी उनको जानते हैं.
What this college has served me. Any day I would be able to serve this college will be my dream. So I hope the best comes out of this college, and this is my dream.
You know, I remember we had this wonderful dancer by the name of Mukesh. He was a choreographer and dancer. I remember this one scene where we had something on the global, around the world. And you know, he did the dance. He was an Indian dancer, Bharatanatyam dancer. He brought down the globe, on his finger. And it was such an awesome stuff. And I still remember him because today he's no more. He died in a plane crash. So, so many memories. I mean, to put them down in a small 1 minute is very difficult. I get very nostalgic.
One captain that I would like to mention and was Aditya Mojumdar, because when it started off, the fest, he was the captain of the Vayu House. And very charged, very spirited, very sporting student. But unfortunately for him, for some reason, Vayu and the category of everything, when we did the final counting, Vayu was the rock bottom. Vayu came 5th. And instead of being crestfallen, he had a great take on it. And he said, "Ma'am, Vayu has come 5th, but don't you need the last to build a foundation?" And that's what we have done. And I thought that was a beautiful way of doing it, because he said somebody has to come last. And here is a spirited house which has come last, but on our foundation have the other houses come up.
Life after college is very different, and it reminds me of a dialogue from the movie Rang De Basanti. Amir Khan has a dialogue that says, "Oye kake, ये कॉलेज के अंदर इस चार दीवारी के अंदर हम जिंदगी को चलाते हैं और इस चार दीवारी के बाहर जिंदगी हमें चलाती है." Right? So life is pretty much like that. So you have a chance of having the fun of that zindagi within the char diwar out here.
शिवम की जवानी चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब यस काइंड
दर्शन देख के जाना।